test, please do this question. Like Munir and one more question, one more student is there, na? Okay, I think Ayaz has left. Have you given the test, Zan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. So I think like Munir and yes, what was the name of the other one? Ayaz, yes, Ayaz. Those two students have not given the
Sir,
test.
my
Okay.
account was named Ayaz. So,
अच्छा अच्छा. Okay, 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 okay. ठीक है, ठीक है. This question is based on the property of a circle. Please remember, try to recall that property. Angle subtended at the center and angle subtended at any arc of the circle.
Sir, so I solved it.
Solved it. Very good, Avni. Please answer me in the chat. What's your answer of angle PAQ and PCQ? Answer me in the chat. So where do you live, everybody? Can you please introduce yourself a little bit so that we can have a better interaction? Avni, where do you live?
Sir, Sharjah.
Sharjah. So you are from India or you native of UAE?
No, India.
From which state, dear?
Mumbai.
Bombay. Okay. Jabbar, where do you live, dear? Jabbar, I'm audible, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Where do you live, dear?
Riyadh.
Yeah. So you are from India as well?
Yes.
From which state?
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay. What about you, Munir, dear?
Yes, sir.
Where do you live, dear? Munir, where do you
I
live?
live in Saudi Jeddah, sir.
Jeddah. Okay. So you are from India, right?
Yes, sir.
Which state?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. Zan, am I audible, dear?
yes, sir.
Yes. Which is like you live in Saudi or UAE?
Saudi.
Saudi.
Al
Which is
Jubail.
okay. That's great. And you are from India, right? From which
Yes, sir.
state?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay. I think okay. Yes, correct. Like Avni, it's correct. Absolutely correct. What is the value of PCQ as well? Tell me.
Sir, 1 minute. I will write in the chat box.
Yes, yes, write it in the chat box. I think Zan and Zan, yeah, Zan. Zan has taken one class with me in the starting of the class. I think so. Zan and Jabbar. It seems like I might be wrong, but it seems okay. So everybody look at the screen. Yes, Avni. Yes, it's correct. Absolutely correct. Very good. So everybody, this angle is subtended at the center of a circle. Yes or no? POQ. Angle POQ is equals to basically 80 degree. Yes or no? POQ. POQ is 80 degree. It's given. We need to find the value of PAC and PAQ. PCQ and PAQ, sorry. Clear? So basically, there is a theorem in this circle chapter. Angle subtended at the center will be double the angle subtended at any part of the circle. If the circle, suppose that every time there is, if you basically compare this, suppose this is 2x. So this angle will be x and this angle will be x as well. Because if you take any part of the circle, the angle subtended will be half of the center. Clear, everybody? Am I clear to everybody? How many of you remember this concept, this theorem? Please answer me honestly, one by one. Raise your hands, those who knows this concept. Like Avni completely solved the question, it's correct. What about these three of you? Zan, Munir and Jabbar?
Sir, I thought it was the opposite.
No, dear. Basically, the angle will be half at this point.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So can I write angle POQ as twice of angle PAQ? Yes or no? So value of we need to calculate the value of PAQ. So angle of POQ is given. So it will be divided by. So we get the PAQ will be equals to angle PAQ will be equals to 40 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? Please let me know. Is it clear to everybody that I have written on the screen?
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear? Okay, that's great. And same goes with the PCQ as well, because I've told you that angle subtended at any arc of this, at any point of the circle, will be half of the angle subtended at the center. So I can write POQ as well is equals to twice of angle PCQ. Okay. So again, 80/2 is equals to angle of PCQ is equals to PCQ will be equals to 40. One more thing, there is also a property of a circle that these angles will be equal to each other by a property that any part of the, like if you the two angles are subtended at any part of the circle, they will be equal to each other. Yes or no? Do you remember? The first, or say, I think this is the first and second property of the circle. Do you remember this property? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir, I remember.
Remember? See, it's clear? Okay, that's great. Let me take one more question. Okay, so BOC and OBC, PAC and OBC will be equals to 90 degree. Sure. BC minus OBC. Okay, let's do this one. Solve this question. I'm writing, pasting on the screen. Solve this question, everybody. Giving it 2 minutes. After that, I'll be solving it. Okay. It's a very easy question as well. Straightforward question based on the property of the major and minor arc that we have done in the previous question as well. The 4 chapters, basically the triangles, lines and angles, quadrilateral and circles are totally based on the properties of the figures. If you are able to remember those properties, then these chapters will be like the will be cakewalk for you. If you are not able to remember those property, not able to properly apply, so that will be a little bit more complex process to solve these kinds of questions. It's a straightforward question. You can directly see this thing. Please.
Sir, done.
Very good. What about you? Munir and Jabbar, Zan and Jabbar. I think Munir has left. Okay, Abni, just give me a second so that we can. Abdul, dear, am I audible? Rahman? Abdul Rahman, dear, am I audible? Munir, what happened? I think you are facing some internet issue.
No. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Rahman, I'll be taking your classes for a few days because Namrata ma'am is not available right now. So once she'll be available, so she'll be taking your classes. Till then, I'll be taking the classes. Okay, everybody?
Okay.
Yeah, very good. So Rahman, I've been discussing the paper of basically the test that has been conducted in I think in the last week or this week. I don't know the proper date. The circles chapter. Okay. So discussion is going on. I have not started any topic. So please be there. Okay. Solve this question, Abdul. Any answer, Jabbar and Zan? It's a straightforward question. Okay. Let's let me give you the concept of this question. Okay. So can you say that? Do you remember that basically this property, the angle subtended at the center will be double. The angle subtended at any arc of the circle, right? At the minor arc.
Yes.
Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes.
So
Hmm.
yeah. So can I say that angle BOC will be equals to angle twice of angle BAC? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes, Rahman.
in January 14, my pre-boards will start.
Pre-boards, dear, you are in ninth, na? So mock. So pre-boards, I didn't get that point.
Post midterm.
Okay, post midterm. Basically that kind of periodic test, full periodic test, the like just like a mock test, like whole syllabus will be asked, right?
Yes, every
Okay,
single chapter will be
okay, okay, dear. Okay. So like you have joined this batch like recently, or you are a student like a like old student?
all student.
Okay, okay, dear. So I think this batch like already like the whole chapters are almost done. I think only which chapters are left? Can anybody tell me in this batch?
So we are doing statistics now.
So only stats is left.
Sir,
Yes, Rahman. Is that Rahman or Jabbar?
my maths,
Okay.
I mean, pre-boards will start at
Hmm.
January 2009.
2029th
I mean, sorry, January 29.
of Jan. So
Yes.
like more than 1 month is left. So only stats is left. Please tell me. Statistics is the last chapter
Uh,
in this
uh,
batch. Basically, that is the chapter which is currently going on is the last chapter in this batch, or is there any other chapter which is left still?
No, I don't
Sir, I
think any
think it's the
chapters are left.
Okay, so it's the last chapter which is currently going on in your batch.
yes.
Apart from that, all the chapters are done.
Yes, sir.
Acha, theek hai. Okay, so okay, no issues. So basically, this will help you, like as a practice. Okay, the basically the test series which will be going on in this, like in the coming weeks, you have to give that test series. So there will be basically that will be a kind of preparation. Okay, don't miss that, missed those tests. Okay, everybody, it's a request to everybody. Okay, clear? So this is the first equation.
Sir,
Yes, Rahman.
uh, total up to chapter 1 to 14, all
All
are
the
done.
chapters will be there. Yes, yes. That will be a kind of mock test. Yes, I know, dear. So don't worry. Like after this, like in the next class, I will be like taking the stats. Don't worry. So once your chapter is like whole syllabus is done, we'll be doing the PYQs. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Okay. So now everybody, please look at this screen. Please focus on this question. So can I write this? BOC will be equals to twice of BAC because of the property. Remember,
Yes, sir.
the angle subtended at the center will be double the angle subtended at the minor arc. Okay. So suppose that BAC is X. So let X is equals to angle of BAC and angle of BOC is equals to Z. BOC is Z now. Okay. So can I write in terms of X and Y? So BOC is Z, sorry, is equals to twice of X. This is equation number 2. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I need to show that angle BAC plus OBC, this X plus Y is equals to 90. Because BAC is X and OBC, this angle, middle one is the angle name. Okay. So it is Y. So if you add them, it should be equals to 90. That is basically we need to prove. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So this is the second equation. Now can I write Z plus Y is equals to 180 due to the some property of a triangle? In
Yes.
triangle OBC, Z plus Y is equals to 180 degree. This is equation number 3rd. So can I now see this thing? Z is equals to 2x. So can I put the Z in like 2x in place of Z in this equation? Yes or no? Substituting equation 2 in equation 3. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 2x plus 2y. Y plus y is 2y, na? Is equals to 180 degree. Okay. So 2 will be taken common out and x plus y will be equals to 180 degree. Okay. So x plus y is equals to 90 degree because 2 will be divided. Yes or no? Clear? Now put the name of the x. X is what? BAC. X is equals to BAC, na? X is equals to BAC plus what is y here? Y is OBC. Clear? Henceforth. How many of you have got this point? Please let me know. Is this clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Sir, I did it in a different way.
Okay, that's good. So which can you please tell me in which direction you have approached?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
we take like the starting we take angle BOC is
Hmm.
equal to is equal to 2 angle of BAC.
Okay.
Then since OA
Hmm.
is equal to OB,
OA.
then angle OB is equal
O.
to OB
Okay,
is
okay.
equal to
Because
OC.
Okay, you have taken the radius. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. So this will be a so this OA will be equals to OB. So this part, this angle, you have taken this angle will be X.
Hmm.
Okay. And after that,
Yeah. And then OB is equal to OC.
OB is equals to OC. It means so if so it's already Y and Y.
Yeah.
Because opposite
Then
angles are equal, so opposite sides will be equal.
hmm.
Then
Then angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Base of
angle
angles are
OBC and
base
OCB.
angles
Yes,
base
yes.
angles of an isosceles triangle.
Bilkul correct.
Then
So
then I took angle BAC plus angle OBC is equal to angle BOC by 2.
okay. So dear, that's a correct approach, but that will take you a little bit more time. So in the
Yeah.
exams, you will be there will be a constraint of time. So you have like if I think it's a 3 marker question. So if it's a 3 marker question, so you have to complete this in within a month, 1 minute. So if you like, I'm not basically demotivating you. That's a very good approach, but that's a little bit lengthy approach. That's a good thing that you have developed and you can say done this question in a different manner. That's very good. I appreciate. Sometimes we generate some methods which take a little bit more time, but sometimes it's like we also generate some, maybe there can be a question which I will take longer steps, but you can solve the that question in a little step. So both the things are correct. But okay, so the approach you have taken is absolutely correct. No issue in that, but it will be a little bit more lengthy because of the time constraint. Okay,
Okay,
you
sir.
try to develop one more you can say approach which is which can be a little bit more concise. Okay, like I'm not saying just follow this, just follow my answer. I'm not saying that. Okay, you can develop one more approach which can take a little bit less time and less, which is little bit concise. Okay,
Okay, sir.
yeah, clear everybody. Okay, so let's do the second part of this. Do this question. Can anybody tell me what is reflex angle?
Which angle which is from 180 to 360?
Basically, it should be equals to 360 or it should be less than 360. Yes, the condition of reflex angle is the it can be 360 or it should be less than 360. Please let me know. Avanti, Zan, and Jabbar, and Munir, and Rahman as well.
Sir, so then it should be more than 180 and less than 360.
That's because if the angle is complete 360, so that will be called as complete angle or a circle. Okay. Why the boys are silent? Like I've experienced this in my batch as well. All the girls in the batch answers a lot be that are more interactive with me, but the boys are like the calm and silent that it seems like they are not the part of the class. I have quite similar things that like it's also happened in my batch. Like some of my students are like boy students are very talkative and they interactive, but the majority of the batch, the majority of the boys of my batch as well, are very silent. I don't know what is there any trend in the class itself. I always try to be more interactive so that you can be comfortable. Okay, one more thing. I'm not going to judge you. Don't think that I'm a new teacher, so I'll be judging. Don't think that. I'm here to teach you. Okay, just keep that in your mind. Okay, if you don't know, please let me know, sir. This is not the thing which I don't know this concept. That's why I'm continuously solving in front of you so that you can understand what has been taught to you in the classes. Clear? I hope it's clear to everybody. Am I clear to everybody? Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So try to be more interactive. We have I can be a temporary teacher for you, but we can develop a bond so that we can have a good interactive sessions. Okay. The main motive is to basically teach you, and your main motive is to learn. So it can be any teacher. If I'm substituting Namrita ma'am for a few weeks, not for a few days. So you can interact with me just like you interact with Namrita ma'am, just like Avanti is interacting with me. My student, like all my students, just like Avanti has already taken the classes with me. That's not a case. Avanti is also new to me, but she's constantly interacting with me. So it's also good if you also interact with me. So it would be much better for you. Okay.
Sir, it's Avani.
Avani, sorry, Avani. Actually, Avanti and Avani, it's a little bit more similar. So I just, it strikes my mind, Avanti. Sorry for that. Sorry for mispronunciation. Like I've been taking classes since last 4 hours, and my stamina and my speaking volume is constantly same. But like I see that thing, the students feels very bored and don't speak at all. I don't think what happened. Is clear, everybody? Any answer? Only Avani is answering. What happened to everybody? Like Jabbar, Munir, Rahman, those like all of you are old student of this batch. Jabbar, Rahman, Munir, Zain,
Yes, sir.
all of you are the old student of this batch.
Yes, sir.
So why are you not responding and answering? Only Avani is answering. It seems like only Avani has learned the concept.
We're not sure if all of us is the old batch.
Am I no? Your voice is not clear, Jabbar. It's Jabbar or Rahman. Please answer. Who was something speaking? Is that was Rahman or Jabbar?
Abdul Rahman.
Okay, yeah, Rahman. Yes, you are saying something, dear. Please go ahead.
We're not sure which students here is the new one and which is the
Like,
old.
are you okay? Okay, no issues. I'm just asking the individuals one. Like, are you an old student or a new student?
I'm an old student.
You are an old student, na? So it means that you have done this chapter with the Namrita ma'am properly.
Sir, we have with Mariam ma'am.
Okay. Your teacher is Mariam ma'am. Uh, Avani, is your teacher Mariam ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I thought that Mariam, Namrita ma'am is your teacher. Sorry for that. Sorry for the misunderstanding. I thought that it's Namrita ma'am. Okay, no issues. Maybe. Okay, no issues. Okay, okay. Okay, chalo. Koi nahi. Okay, so do this question. I think you must have done this chapter with the Mariam ma'am. No? It's if she is your teacher. So you must have done these things with the Mariam ma'am. So only the Avni is answering. It seems like only Avni has attended the classes with the proper mind and the focus. What about the all students? If there are 6 students, at least 4 to 5 students should have answered the question. Only the Avni is the one who is answering constantly. Okay, no issues. Done. Answer? Any answer? Avni, it's done. to prove. Can I write BAC and OBC as x minus y? BAC is equals to x and OBC is equals to y. Yes or no, Avni? And all this like Jabbar and Zan, Munir. Yes or no? This is what we need to prove. Clear it? Okay, okay. I thought that your teacher is Namrita ma'am. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Okay, so let's prove this one. Okay, so what happened? Why everybody is leaving? Okay, look at the screen first. Avni, what happened? Okay, everybody look at the screen. The angle BOC, this angle Z, this is equals to angle BOC is equals to Z in this question. Okay, angle BAC is equals to X. Okay, and angle OBC is equals to Y. Clear, everybody? And okay, now the same property that we have used in the previous question will be same. Angle BOC will be twice of angle BAC because angle subtended at the center will be twice of the angle subtended at the minor arc. Yes or no? Do you remember? Everybody, please at least let me know yes or no. That what I'm trying to say is everybody clear?
Yes.
Angle BOC will be equals to twice of angle BAC. Yes or no? Clear? And BAC is equal, BOC is equals to Z. So can I write this in terms of Z and X? It is 2X. This is your first equation. Yes or no? Yes or no? Like, do you interact with Maria ma'am with the same behavior? Everybody, at least let me know. Let me answer. Are you feeling bored? Because it's everybody silent. It seems like nobody is listening to me or giving attention to the class. What happened? Is that clear? This part is clear to everybody, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. So in triangle OBC, can I write y plus t plus y will be equals to 180 angle sum property of the triangle? In triangle OBC, angle t plus angle y plus angle y is equals to 180 degree. Okay. So angle t plus 2y is equals to 2 of angle y is equals to 180 degree. Clear? This is angle t. Clear, everybody?
Clear.
Okay. So the value of t will be equals to 180 minus 2y. Suppose this is equation number 2. Clear? And see this thing. Can I write z as 360 minus t? This whole angle is complete 360. Yes or no? And if there is one angle which is basically there of the t value, so if I need the value of z, so basically z plus t will be equals to 360 because they are forming a complete circle. Yes or no, everybody? This called angle is called as complete angle. Clear? So can I get the value of z as 360 minus t? Yes or no? Clear? Okay. Put the value of Z. So Z plus T is equals to 360. So Z will be equals to 360 minus T. Okay. So this is equation number 3rd. So put the value of Z. So what is the value of T here? Put the value of T in equation number 1. Put equation number 2 in equation 3. Okay. So Z is equals to 360 minus 180 degree minus 2y. Because value of T is 180 minus 2y. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So Z is equals to 360 minus 180 degree plus 2y, because negative will make this negative positive. Okay, negative of negative will be positive. So Z is equals to basically 180 plus 2y. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. So put the value of Z is here and the value of X. So put this in the, suppose this is equation number 4. So put the equation in, substitute equation 4 in equation 1. Because we have got the value in terms of Y. We need X and Y now. So substitute equation 4 in equation 1. So Z is equals to 180 plus of 2Y is equals to 2X. Okay. So take the Y on the right hand side. So it would be 2X minus 2Y is equals to 180 degree. So take 2 common. X minus Y is equals to 180 degree. So X minus Y will be equals to 90 degree. Clear? So value of X is BAC minus value of Y is OBC is equals to 90 degree. That's what we need to prove. Is that clear, everybody? Please let me know.
Then it's clear.
Clear? Okay, so do this question. It's only 5 minutes left. So I will giving you. Do this question. Give me the answers. Everybody, give me the answers. Okay, Avni. What about rest of you? Zain, Munir, Jabbar, Rahman. What is the answer? Which option is correct?
Is it B?
Okay, who said B? Please let me know your name.
100
Okay, it's
and
Rahman. Rahman, what's your answer, dear? Please let me know.
115.
Okay, this is the answer of yours, right? Abdul. This is the answer of the Abdul. And what about rest of you?
Sir, mine
Avni
is
got. Yes, I saw that in the chat. Okay, Avni. Okay, what about the Zan and Mudir? No answer. It seems like they are not attending the class. Like I am not like there is no response from any of you. It's not a good thing. Definitely not a good thing. Okay, Zan. ठीक है. Okay, चलो. Let's look at this tree. देखो. This is a PRS is a triangle. So this angle plus this angle, suppose that this is angle Y. This is angle Y. So suppose that in the triangle PRS, 55 plus angle Y plus 30 degree will be equals to 180 because of angle some property, yes or no? So Y plus 55 and 80, it would be 85 will be equals to 180 degree. Clear? So Y will be equals to 180 minus 85 degree, which is equals to angle of Y is equals to 95 degree. Clear? So if it's 95 degree and the opposite sides of a quadrilateral are equals to 1, the sum of opposite sides of quadrilateral is equals to 180. They are supplementary in nature. So X plus Y will be equals to 180, yes or no? You got the value of Y as 95 degree, which is equals to 180. So angle X will be equals to 180 minus 95, which is equals to 95, which is 85. Clear?
Clear.
Yes or no? So answer is B. Clear?
yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt?
So no doubt.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, so we have done this discussion. Okay, so that's all for this session. Okay, so I